Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today, September the 27th, 2020. Here is a video that we're going to talk about Tesla stock, give you all an update as to where the trap is going to take the value of this particular product. Now, before we get started in that, if this is your first time watching our video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. You want to share the video as well. It's that simple because that's the content that we're delivering, simplicity. And simplicity is the name of the game in the stock market. One of the main caveats that's important in the stock market is price. That's why we don't waste our time with indicators. That's why we don't waste our time with fundamental analysis, because you cannot price those things, especially with some fundamental analysis. You cannot price it. Even with earnings per share, even with EBITDA, even with a lot of the economic forecasts of a new product coming out for a particular company, there's no way for you to price it. The only thing that matters is what you and I are willing to pay and sell for these particular products. And once you understand that, you eliminate a lot of the confusion. And that's one of the purposes of why we're here on this particular platform, is to give you something that is simple to see and simple to understand. So buckle in your seat and let's talk about Tesla. So here we are with Tesla. You guys can tell our expectations back in September 2nd was for the market to go lower. Now, this was during a time to where Tesla did a stock split. And, many of the analysts, many of the economists who follow Tesla was looking for the market to go higher. But for us, we saw the weakness on the chart. So we played that to the downside. And you guys can see right here, September 1st, we expected the market in Tesla to go lower, and what occurred? See, once you're able to forecast and predict where the trap is going to bring the value in Tesla, you could get there before he gets there, and you're able to capitalize off of that. So at least 5.22% profitability in that particular forecast, which was had on the 1st of September. Now, let's say you're still into the market today and you wanted to get out. You'll be up 14.19%, all based off seeing before anyone else saw it that the market was weak. And it's that simple. Now, ultimately, you guys could have topped out in Tesla stock going lower around 30.5%. That's monumental. From September the 2nd all the way to the 8th of September, 6 days, 30.5% made. Congratulations on those who was able to capitalize on that, who captured that in the market from the trap. Now it's over. It's done with. So we don't talk about the past. We speak on the future. So let's see what the market in Tesla is going to do. First thing, the market in Tesla has done something that we all need to pay attention to. And what is it? It broke a trend. Now, the market in Tesla started a trend on August the 11th, 2020, and it kept following that trend until it broke on September the 2nd. So what does that tell you? When trends are broken, you don't expect the trend to continue. So we're not looking for Tesla to go higher right now, because if it was, the market would have stayed alongside that trend. But the trap told you that the trend is now broken on September the 2nd. So already we're not looking for the market in Tesla to go higher, not right now. Now you might see some people take this line now and state that Tesla is still in an uptrend utilizing this line here. So the market in Tesla is following this new ascending line, right? So the prior line that we had on our chart was just a bigger slope, meaning that the market was in a severe uptrend, and the trap broke that just to rest it on a new uptrend into the market in Tesla. So what we're going to do, we're going to hold this line here because we need to pay attention to this market in Tesla, because you can see the market in Tesla has already came and touched this line numerous times. I would say it touched 4 times. It touched it first, or it created it here on the 29th of June. It touched that line again on August the 11th. It touched it once again on September the 8th. and then it tested once again on the 24th. So this is a crucial line. Market breaks this trend to the downside, realize that Tesla is a massive sell. All right, so let's look at Tesla real quick on this weekly time frame to see what the market has in store. Literally, I'm not too amped, too psyched to see Tesla go higher or lower. I'm not really seeing that being displayed on the price chart. You know, what I'm really seeing is that we're going to get more consolidational trade into the market in Tesla. Now, that simply means that, 380 support all the way up there around 460 as restriction. That's that consolidational range. And that's what we're literally expecting to see in Tesla. Let's take a look at the market in Tesla on the monthly time frame. You guys can tell that this is not strong at all into the market in Tesla. We are not seeing that. If anything, we're going to continue to get that weakness into the market in Tesla. So the best thing that we're looking out for in this particular product is sideways consolidational trading. Now that gives us ample amount of time to continually to watch the steps of the trap, to see what he's planning on, to see his next biggest move. I'm not seeing any excitement or bullishness in Tesla. It is what it is. Now looking at the market on the 4-hour chart, depending on your preference of trading and looking at the market, you can play this to the upside. There is strength here in the market in Tesla, but on a very small time frame. Okay, literally means that starting out this work week, the market in Tesla can go higher, 410, 420, and then we'll come back down to the downside. Okay, so yeah, you can play this on that 3-hour, 4-hour time frame. You'll still see instances that the market in Tesla is going to go higher, but we're looking at 420 to possibly around 440, and that's about it. Once the market in Tesla hits that 440, we'll have to reevaluate to see how strong the market is at that particular price level. So depending on your time preference, you'll have to look at the market, because the weekly and the monthly time frame in Tesla, the best we're going to get is this continuational cloudiness and sideways consolidational trading happening to the market in Tesla. That's it. Right. So what we're going to do on this particular forecast on this video, we are going to play the strength into the market in Tesla, but this is strictly on the short time frame. Okay. We're going to hold that market at $360. We'll TP it at 420, literally, because we're definitely seeing that instance, that location is where the market can find some restriction and some selling. All right. So this is our forecast into the market in Tesla. We are playing some upside movement, TP around 420, and literally this might happen on Monday, but we're going to extend it up there towards 440 just to compensate any excitement that is coming through into the market for this particular product. And this is it. Now we sit back and let the trap perform and see this forecast play out. Now, what do you see in the market in Tesla? Are you still expecting this particular market to go higher or lower? I mean, let us know with a comment and then give us your TP price. It's just that simple. So that's it. Make sure you always maintain a profitability, and we'll talk again.